Hey guys, this is Bruce. Welcome to ConvoCourses. We're going to continue on with our GRC roadmap teaching. So I'm going to do another one later tonight, but this morning I'm going to go ahead and knock this one out. So the reason why I decided to do this is because when I first started doing getting in IT, one of the first jobs that I did was to do governance, risk, and compliance. We didn't call it governance, risk, and compliance at the time, but it was governance, risk, and compliance. I did it for the Department of Defense, and I went on to do it for different branches of the military. Ended up being a contractor doing it outside of the military. I did it for NASA, and right now I'm still working for a federal organization. So my experience is pretty extensive, and when I got in, there was nobody to show me the ropes to teach that. I just noticed there wasn't like a lot of resources for this line of work, even though it's a real critical part of an organization. And it's done in every single industry. I've done this in several different industries, and it's equally important, especially if you have very important information. And I just noticed it. There's this huge gap. The last 7 jobs I've had, we're always 30% less than what we should have. We're lacking 30% of our total workforce because nobody wants to do it, or they can't find people to actually come in that has the expertise. So there's been a gap, and I've been teaching this actually for many years, since like year 2000, and I want to say 2014 I've been teaching this. And so what I want to do is show you, pick up where we left off. So last week, the first week we talked about, first day of this, we talked about the roadmap. What are we doing here? The best way for me to teach you this, to teach you governance, risk, and compliance, is to show you one of the main frameworks that's used, which is called the NIST cybersecurity framework. And the reason why is because of the way it's broken out. The way that it's broken out is that it has these different rungs, these different functions. You have a govern function, you have an identify function, a protect function, a detect function, a response and recover function. All of these things are basic tenets of what an organization, any organization, should have to protect their cybersecurity framework. Now, if you want to know more about this, you want to go deep into this, you're in luck. You came to the right place, because right now, for the next 5 days, I have a free book on Amazon. So the link is in description. If you happen to be watching this, if you happen to have gotten to my newsletter, you have gotten a link directly to it. It's only for the next 5 days. You go to Amazon and type in GRC roadmap, you'll see it, and it's free on KDP. So I'm gonna have more stuff. If you follow me on a regular basis, you already know. I give a ton of free stuff to the people who watch, who are full time, watching me on a regular basis. I'm always giving out free stuff, and today is no different. So the book looks like this on Amazon, and I do this. If you're wondering, well, why is it free? Well, it's not free forever. Okay, number one, there's a limited time that it's going to be free. So I do this so I can get reviews. So if you would be so kind as to give me an honest review, what you think about it, and also learn something at the same time. This is coming from somebody who's been doing this for many years. And so let's get into this.